I'm here on the Guy and Dot. The wife dropped me off. I got my boat unloaded, got my gear. She took off. I realized I don't have my life jacket. I'm in a conundrum. I always paddle with my life jacket, even sections of water that don't really require it. This section of water right here, all you have to do is have it on your boat legally, but I always wear it. So I'm in a situation where I'm about 7 miles from home, and I could walk it, leave my boat. I could paddle home without a life jacket. If it gets in the whitewater, it's a little bit different. I think you are required at least a class 3 Coast Guard approved life jacket. Legally, you have to be wearing that in whitewater. Should I paddle home? I'm going to, but tell me what you think. Should I have done this? I gotta get home, you know. Gotta do better. Do that checklist. Make sure you got your gear. Got a couple trees down already. Some stuff in play. Out here with no PFD on. Making bad decisions. Another tree down. Well, a little bit of storms, but I didn't think it was anything like that. This is my favorite part of this section of the river. I like the island. Just the way everything looks here. Just beautiful. The greenery. There's a little bit of a rapid. How it comes down through this section. A little bit of ripple with the white water. I've seen deer here several times. A lot of blue herring hang out through here. I think it's a real beautiful scenic area here. Whoop. And then this happens because I'm looking at pretty stuff. Much needed. Get out in nature, have some good times, get some exercise, see some wildlife. Bring your life jacket. Well, so far so good, no life jacket. I know I'm going to get some ridicule, but I really didn't have a choice. I had to get back home somehow, and the boat was the best option. It was a flat water run, so in most cases I probably wouldn't have even found this acceptable, but I know this part of the river pretty good, and it's flat water mostly. So I know I shouldn't be out here without a life jacket on. life jacket, skirt, helmet, paddle. You gotta have them every time. Today I learned the lesson. Check for your life jacket. Check for your gear. Out here paddling without a life jacket. Shame on me! Shame, shame, shame. I really didn't have a choice. So, it's all good.